In the rehearsal room for Back to the Garden's Sounds of Laurel Canyon, we caught up with band member Marc in
Yeah, my favorite song, I have so many, but I love the Byrds. I think that they were the ones that kind of started the whole folk rock scene, or at least popularized it to an extent that it went on top 40 radio. Dylan was doing it. I love the fact that the Beatles came to America in February '64, and the Byrds went and recorded Mr. Tambourine Man in January of '65. It wasn't even a whole year after the Beatles arrived. And that song, it just changed American rock, American pop.
Sounds of Laurel Canyon, a Back to the Garden story concert streaming live from the Belly Up, Friday, November 27th at 7 p.m. Pacific. Tickets $12. Use the link to get yours now.